Hi everyone, welcome to another coffee chat, and I'm going to be talking a little bit low volume because my husband is still sleeping. But look at this cute cup, how cute. So I got it years ago. This is Alice in Wonderland, and I got it in Orlando. I think it's Hollywood Studios, that Disney park that I got it in, I think. So yeah, so I have the typical black coffee. I don't want to spill, but black coffee and stevia. Yeah, it's my go-to, my favorite. It's low calorie. So yeah, so it's early in the morning. I actually today woke up at 3 a.m. you guys. And I couldn't go back to bed, and then yesterday I woke up at 4 a.m. and I couldn't go back to bed either. So it's been 2 days of a very early morning and very productive. So yeah, so today I took advantage of how early I woke up to do a coffee shop video because mornings predominantly is when I drink the most coffee, and this is my third cup so far, and I don't fill it up to the top. It's just like a little over halfway, and then it's just, it gets cold in here really quick, so I have to reheat the coffee ever so often, so that's why I don't fill it up. My cat is here. Teacup, come here. Say hi to my cat, Teacup. She's been sick lately, and I took her to the doctor, and I feel so bad. I hope she gets better soon. She is a very independent kitty. She doesn't like when I grab her that much. So, but last night she did, when I was watching Netflix last night, she did sat on my lap to sleep with me, and I was like, that's a miracle. But anyway, this coffee chat video is to show you the both sunglasses that I received from Nordstrom's. So in a previous video I did show that I ordered what I ordered from the Nordstrom sale and what I was thinking about ordering next, but so finally I received the sunglasses, you guys, and I'm so excited for them. And then I ran into an issue with these specifically. I don't know, apparently this was going to be shipped from California after placing the order online. It seems like only California had these particular sunglasses in stock. So the thing is that somebody canceled my order, and then I had to call again and place a new order for these sunglasses. So these two did not come the same day. They were like 1 week apart. Anyway, I thought I would show you these sunglasses because I just feel like these sunglasses are the coolest sunglasses ever. And what's great about these is that there's just no logo. There is, but there's not, and I will show you in a minute. Also, so the first pair came in this huge box in comparison to the next, and it came in wrapped, and this is the case, pretty much just like a little pouch. And but with these specifically, I'm thinking whether I should keep this pair or not, because I'll show you in a minute. Actually, why do I have my headphones still on? So, by the way, it is 6:59 a.m. so it's still early. I don't know, I've been using the GHD and I don't know. So these are the sunglasses, and I'm not saying I don't like them, but I think that this style would be beneficial in winter because here it gets pitch black at 5 p.m. you guys. But the thing is that overall I feel like the look overall looks a bit 70s to me, and I just don't feel, I've never been a 70s type person. Sorry, it's just my hair is looking a bit weird at the ends. I don't know, I feel like the GHD just dries your hair out. Oh my gosh. Let me know what you guys think. Like, should I keep them? Because I even showed these to my husband and he liked them. So after his feedback, I was like, okay, definitely I'm gonna keep them. But I'm not sure. So this type of sunglass, you definitely have to wear makeup with these. This is not a sunglass that you can be like all pale and, you know, like I tried them without makeup and I didn't like the look. Yeah, you definitely need makeup with this, and eye makeup. And I do like it, don't get me wrong. I wish I could take this out, but I can't because I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But if you look at the sides, it doesn't have a major logo. So if I can, do you see that? It only has the T for Tom. And then on the inside, is it on the inside? Oh no, on the very end here, it does say Tom Ford. But it's just like that minimalistic look, and you don't like call attention to yourself in public, but you definitely look like super chic, right? Oh my gosh, can't with these ends. So these to me are very Rosie Huntington, and I know I've mentioned her a lot on my channel. I do like her style. She's not like my favorite, but I definitely love her style. But I just think that this is something she would wear. And I also saw another actress on Instagram with these sunglasses. Her name is Jackson. That's her username, or I am Jackson. She's the one married with, you know, Chuck from Gossip Girl. So I saw her with these and I was like, oh, those sunnies are cool. So out of curiosity, I bought these to be able to determine, okay, are these going to look good on me or not? So I definitely purchased it because typically aviators definitely fit me well, and that's pretty much my style. I love any sort of kind of like aviator style, but this is kind of like a combo aviator slightly with kind of like that 70s look. But anyway, I think they do look cool. Am I actually going to wear these in winter or like in fall? You know, in fall obviously, but I don't know. I don't know if this is like going to be my vibe, because I would hate to spend, you know, the cost of these sunnies than to not wear them. I don't know. I always have something with that. Like, even if it's like 20 bucks, right? I just, if I buy something and I don't use it, I will feel bad. Like, I don't want anything here collecting dust and nobody ever wearing the item. I prefer to just, you know, return it. I don't care, even if it takes day out of my time. I mean, too early. Let me have more coffee. Time out of my day, okay? But who isn't busy? Oh, teacup. What do you think of my sunnies? Oh, thank you for joining the coffee chat. You guys, teacup, are you joining the coffee chat? Oh, thank you. You're so nice. Oh my gosh, I love her. You're literally in front of the camera. Oh my gosh. So teacup is my most prized possession. Worth every penny, you guys. Worth every penny. Yeah, she is just, I love her personality. She's a bit mischievous and very independent. Oh my gosh, very independent. And I love her. I didn't know how much I was going to appreciate her until I got her. Or a cat or a pet, you know, like I didn't know I was going to get a girl kitten specifically but it just happened. Let's go to sunglass number 2, which this sunglass came in here. And I do like this case as well. So I do like the puffer case, but then I do like this case. It's bulky, but I do like the velvet, you guys. Is this velvet? Yeah, velvet. All right, so I loved these. Okay, it comes with a little cleaner. Okay, this is a definite yes for me, you guys. Why is it so white? So these are definitely my style. Like, these are really, really cool. Like, no doubt, I will keep these. These are 100% my style. They look cool. I do like that aviator look, you guys. Yeah. And I removed a little sticker on the side because I'm keeping these. So with the logo thing, it's the same thing. It just has that understated T, which people are going to look at this initially. They're just gonna think that, oh, it's just a line or just a piece of metal. It's just the T for Tom, and then on the back, on that leg, it does say Tom Ford in that little piece of metal. But these are a definite yes, you guys. So this sunglass is designed specifically for women, but these are unisex. But I thought they looked way too cool for just guys to have this sunglass. I mean, they're really cool, right? I can see myself wearing these just everywhere and anywhere. Like, if anybody invites me anywhere, like a brewery. Breweries are huge here, or a coffee shop, or patio, boat, beach, wherever. Yeah, these are just absolutely cool. Let me give you a close-up. Sorry, I have a light. It's like the other sunglass. Do you see that? But it's just like so understated, which is perfect if you really don't want to call attention to yourself. So these are my new favorite sunglasses. And then sunglasses that I really don't like are the little, like, straight ones that are just super tiny. They come like in several different styles. They come like in metal. They come kind of like rectangular. For the most part, there are some that are plastic, but I just don't like that style, you guys, at all. I just don't like it. I just don't think that looks great on me at all. I just don't like it. And then, so this is kind of like very cool style, modern, kind of like rich mom or just rich entrepreneur. If you're into other styles like the old money style, definitely Celine is the #1 popular brand for sunglasses. I do like Celine. I do like their logo, but I just have tried a couple of Celines, and I just don't think that fits my style. I don't like how they look on me. Granted, I haven't tried every single style, just the very popular ones. I've tried both the metal and the plastics, but I don't think that the overall, like 100% old money style is for me. I don't really like that for me in particular. I do like to mix it. So I like to mix, like, if I'm wearing an outfit that is old money, or maybe even preppy, I like to mix it with something that looks cool. So most likely I will be wearing Ray-Ban sunglasses, or, you know, my Tom Fords or my YSL. So that's kind of like the look that I'm going for. I like to mix styles that suit me, but I don't like to do 100% of everything. All right, you guys, I've been talking and I have to now get ready to go to work, which I'm ready pretty much. I just need to change and get more coffee, you guys. I don't really have breakfast that often. I mostly have brunch. So I'm like around 10 to 11 a.m. I'm ready to eat, especially if I woke up at 3 a.m. Yeah, and to wrap this up, I know that this video is mainly about sunglasses, but the thing is that sunglasses are a very important part of your outfits. I'm not the type of person that I will just choose just any sunglass just to fulfill the need of needing to have a sunglass pair. So I definitely do think about this, obviously, because you know, I'm pretty much a stylist. Just explore different styles and sunglasses, because there's a lot of other brands out there to explore, and I would say Tom Ford is definitely one of my favorite brands right now. And YSL, although my YSLs, the pair that I've got is the logo is very small, more obvious, but it's smaller than one of the most popular YSL sunglasses, which is the huge YSL right here on the side of your head. No, absolutely not. Oh my god. So I like a logo, don't get me wrong, but I don't want to advertise like, oh look, YSL, you know what I mean. Let me know if I should keep this pair. Definitely keeping this other one. And I hope you have a great day. I for sure will have a great day, you guys. And yeah, I'm getting ready for the weekend. I have so much going on, but also I want to go to the lake to see if I can paddleboard. Have a great rest of your week and weekend, and talk to you Monday. Bye.